So that's why be like a mirror, not like
Projector.
projector. ఎప్పుడు చెప్తానే ఉండకండి. If you observe multiple times, అరే ఇది నోట్ తెరిచాడ్రా, he opened his mouth, we can't bear రా, blood is going to come from my ears రా. Like, what about your feeling on that person?
We don't want to listen then again.
Have you observed, right? So, like, so we can't bear the person who is always going to talk about himself. We can't bear. Means, have you observed, right? Okay, if you are keep on talking about yourself, what is the feeling of opposite person?
Same. Like,
Okay, don't talk anything about yourself. Okay, as less as possible, you require to talk about yourself. Create an environment in such a way that the opposite person has to talk more. Must be required.